Hi guys, it's Maggie. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing my Boxyluxe box unboxing. Boxycharm just came out with a new Boxyluxe subscription where you can get one every 3 months. Okay, so how it works is you are already a charmer, which means you pay your $21 a month to receive your regular Boxycharm box every month. And when you upgrade your subscription, you get Boxyluxe, which you will receive 4 times a year, which is March, June, September, and December. And also, in order to upgrade your subscription, you have to pay $28.99 for that month. So the $28.99, you will pay that 4 times a year for your Boxyluxe box. So yeah, that's how it works. We're gonna get started. Okay, so this is how the box look. It is a lot bigger than the regular Boxycharm box. So this box is what you will receive 4 times a year for Boxyluxe. Okay, so I'm just going to open it up. Okay, so the first thing I see when I open the box is this. It comes with the card. Okay, so the theme of the month is La Vie en Rose. And in the back, it tells you everything that is in the box and their prices. The first thing I see is actually this. Ooh, and you can see the rest of the stuff inside. I think it's like a makeup bag. It looks like so. It is a Boxycharm train case and it retails for $20. So the inside is rose gold and it says Boxycharm up here. Very nice. I really love the color and it's very convenient for traveling. The next thing I'm going to take is this one right here. It is by Iconic London and it's an eyebrow cushion. Okay, so here it is right here. The packaging is really cool. It is a gold packaging. Okay, so when you open it, it comes with a mirror and the eyebrow utensils, which looks like so, which comes with a little brush and a angled brush. So this is how it looks like. I usually don't use anything liquid on my eyebrows, but I'll give this a try. Okay, so the eyebrow cushion retails for $40. The next thing in the box is by the brand Becca. It is their Ultimate Lipstick Love and the shade Souffle. So this is the packaging and how it looks like. And this is the shade right here. It's almost the same shade as what I'm wearing right now. But yeah, it is a beautiful everyday shade. And it is also magnetic. So it's pretty cool. And this retails for $24. Okay, so the next product from the box is by It Cosmetics. It is their Confidence in a Cream Transforming Moisturizing Super Cream. I've never used anything from It Cosmetics, so this is pretty cool. It is quite heavy. It's for all skin types. It's a anti-aging armor rejuvenating concentrate. It is pretty thick. I don't know if you can see that. The smell is fine, just like any regular moisturizer. It doesn't really have a strong smell to it, just something very subtle. I personally love a thick moisturizer. I'm really excited to use this, and it retails for $48. The next thing I'm going to grab is this. It is by the brand Moda. Yeah, it's Moda brushes. It's a powder and soft glow kit. It is a brush duo. Okay, so these are the brushes right here. I really love the packaging. They look super nice and super shiny. It says it's a powder and soft glow kit, so I'm guessing this is for powder and this is for highlight. I don't think I would use this for highlight though because it's a little too fluffy. I would probably use this to dust off powder. The next thing I see is actually pretty cool. It is Lily Lashes. It is their exclusive faux mink lashes. It looks really light and wispy. I can't wait to wear this. Oh, and it retails for $24.99. Okay, so the next thing in the box is by Wonder Beauty. It is their Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. It contains a blend of skin loving acai, goji berry, blueberry, lychee, mangosteen and green leaf extract. This does sound pretty cool. I can't wait to try it, and this retails for $34. Wow. The next thing I see is by the brand Deborah Lippmann. It is nail polish. There are 2 nail polishes in here. There's 10 active ingredients to help deliver health, shine, and long wear to your nails. These are what the colors look like. I most likely will not use these, but if you love nail polishes, you will like that it was included in here. So yeah. Okay, so we have 2 things left from the box. Let's do this one first. It is by Cover FX. This is their Perfector face palette. It looks like so. So we have a highlighter, a brightener, a highlighter, contour, finishing powder, and blush. They are all very nice. All of them I would really use. And this contour shade is dark enough for my skin tone, so I really like that. This is like a finishing powder, but I would use it for blush. I would not use that as a finishing powder. I can't wait to use this, and I'm really excited it was included in this box. Okay, so the last thing in the box is by Morphe. It is their 15D Base Layer Eyeshadow Palette. I'm really happy they have Morphe because I don't really buy a lot from their website, so I'm actually excited they have it in here so I can try more of their products. Okay, so here it is right here. They're all mostly like warms and neutral shades. You can do a lot of looks with this. You have your dark shades right here to deepen the crease. You have your shimmers, and you have the mattes for transitions and also lid shades, which is very, very nice. And this palette retails for $16. It is Morphe. It is affordable, and there's a nice mirror. Yeah, I think it's a nice addition to the Boxyluxe box. Okay, so that's it for the video, but I am going to add the prices of everything that was included in the box and give you the final price. The Cover FX was $45. The brushes were $29.99. The eyebrow cushion was $40. The peel off mask was $34. The Lily lashes was $24.99. The It Cosmetics moisturizer was $48. The Becca lipstick was $24. The Morphe palette was $16. The nail polishes was $20, and the train case was $20. So overall it was $301.98. So my subscription was $28.99, and it had a value of over $300 worth of products. I don't know how they do it, but that's how it is. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for videos every week, and I'll talk to you guys back on my next video. Bye.